Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in data science with Salesforce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Investing in data science with Salesforce can be a strategic move for your business. First, understand the basics of data science and its applications within Salesforce. Research the different tools and platforms Salesforce offers for data science. Familiarize yourself with Salesforce Einstein, the AI-powered analytics tool. Explore Salesforce's integrations with popular programming languages like Python and R. Set up your Salesforce account if you don't already have one. Log into your Salesforce dashboard and navigate to the Einstein Analytics app. Create a new project and begin by importing your dataset. Ensure your data is clean and structured to avoid any complications during analysis. Use Salesforce's built-in tools to visualize your data through charts and graphs. Experiment with different analytical models provided by Salesforce. Leverage the predictive analytics features to uncover insights from historical data. Train your data models on the platform for better accuracy in predictions. Deploy your models directly through Salesforce, integrating them into your workflow. Monitor the performance of your models regularly for continuous improvement. Stay updated on new features and tools released by Salesforce to enhance your data science investments. Engage with the Salesforce community for tips and shared experiences in data science applications. Consider attending Salesforce webinars or training sessions focused on data science. Integrate feedback and results from your analyses to refine your strategy moving forward. Capitalizing on data science within Salesforce can lead to informed decisions and enhanced business growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.